Look at the sky. The smoke is growing thicker. The earth is trembling again. We must leave the city.
Quiet. Keep your voice down or they'll hear you.
This is madness. He cannot be permitted to seize such power. But what if we fail? The others are too afraid.
I had to see you.
Go, quickly. We can't stay here.
You dare challenge me. Your treacherous gaze seals your fate. I will watch your kingdom burn.
You are finally perfect.
I will not tolerate this defiance. You will all suffer for this betrayal.
We're losing him. Get the doors open.
BP is dropping fast. We need to move.
Clear the hall. Coming through.
Find her! I command you, find her! Or I will burn this kingdom to the ground!
This isn't real. You're just sleeping. Wake up. Please tell me what to do. I don't know what to do without you.
My love, why do you torment me so? I see you everywhere, yet I am alone. Please, let me join you.
His pulse is weak and erratic. The poison is spreading fast.
We must administer the antidote immediately, regardless of the risk.
A slight adjustment here, I think.
The sleeve measurement is precise.
It drapes beautifully now.
Get out of my head!
You don't know who you are.
I am nothing!
Chin up. Shoulders back. Maintain the arch.
That is better.
It's stuck right here. I can't seem to push past the feeling, no matter how.
For the glory of the Empire, we march forward to a new era of prosperity.
Your Majesty, this feast is truly unparalleled.
Indeed, the quail is exquisite tonight.
You are privileged to witness my magnificence. Your adoration is mandatory. I am the supreme authority.
It's spreading faster than we anticipated. Ignis has fallen. The network is expanding.
They're reacting to the news of the rebellion.
We are done fighting this war!
Your orders mean nothing here. Get back!
Nạt thức chuồng đá, dân thùng cuốn thu bị hảo, dân thân thoáng xăm mòn, dân còn quy y phần khết đá.
Look at these apples, perfectly ripe today.
I tell you, the situation in the Senate grows worse by the day.
Faster! Faster!
Smile for the camera.